Okay, good evening, everyone.
Yeah.
Actually, I am going for an evening stroll, and I want to gist you guys.
Okay.
I observed something of recent. One of those you must say hi to the camera.
Hey.
Okay, I observed something, and I feel like crying. There's something we say in Igbo, no bibawaram. It's Igbo bibawaram. In this Niger State, I am, as a serving corps member. I've met so many Igbo coppers, like real Igbo coppers, born in Igbo, although most of them they weren't raised in Igbo, but they have Igbo parents, well raised Igbo parents. And from my observation so far, I'm yet to meet an Igbo corps member that knows how to speak Igbo language. Like when I say corps member, that I mean a mature, an adult. I've not seen. Like I have not seen.
Yes.
I've tried having engaging in different communications with them. I've tried engaging them, and like when I see any of them, I try to like start up a conversation in Igbo language. As an Igbo brought up and being in another land where people of diverse languages are, I try to start an intelligent chat gist in Igbo language with them, and I find out that 80% of them don't know how to speak Igbo, whereas 60% of them don't understand Igbo language. Now, my problem is, what is the problem? What is the cause? Like, it's heartbreaking. So me that studied Igbo language in school now, what do you want me to do? Jesus, we have a lot of tasks to do. Now imagine where 80% of Igbo people don't know how to speak Igbo in this land. What will not happen to the children they are going to give birth to? What will not happen to the next generation? I don't know, but I think it's high time we react, we start acting to these things. Like, it's really, really becoming heartbreaking. Like, in fact, I can't talk again. I feel like crying.